Hello students. So today I am here to take up not the new chapter but continue with the chapter which I have taught in the previous video, singular and plural, chapter 5. In the previous video we have discussed what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns, and we have discussed the first two rules of singular and plural, like how to form plural nouns out of singular nouns. So we have discussed in the first video. I know you people are watching me after a long time, like in a video teaching you live like that, but not a problem because earlier I was teaching you from the book, but now I'll be teaching you live in a video. So please follow while I'm reading, because now I'll be reading and explaining together, so you have to follow your book. So yes, now we'll discuss the next rule. For nouns ending in Y after a consonant, plurals are formed by changing Y into IES. So the singular nouns which have got Y at the end before a consonant, this M, for example army, you can see before Y M is there. And what is M? M is a consonant. You know what are consonants? Leaving A, E, I, O, U, all the other alphabets are called consonants, like B, C, D, F, G, H, these all are consonants, and A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So in a noun before Y, if there is consonant and Y is there at the end of a noun, singular noun, so how you will make it plural? You will drop this Y, or cancel this Y and then add IES to make it plural. You can see in the example also, army is a singular noun but it is ending with Y, and before Y you see M is a consonant. That means you will add IES to make it plural. You won't add S or other alphabet, but you will add these three alphabets IES to make it plural. So army is a singular noun but armies is a plural noun. Similarly you see lady, L-A-D-Y, lady. Y, it is ending with Y, right? But you see before Y D is there. And what is D? D is a consonant, not a vowel. If it would have E or I or O, then you will not add IES at the end. But before Y consonant is there, so you will add IES to make it plural. So lady is a singular noun. How you will make it plural? You will add IES to make it plural. So lady, ladies. Baby, babies. Similarly Y, you see before Y B is there, and B is a consonant, so you will add IES to make it plural. So now you have understood how you will make it plural when there is Y at the end and before Y consonant is there. How you will make it plural? You will make it plural by adding IES. Now we will move further and discuss the other rule for singular and plural. So for nouns ending in Y after a vowel. So earlier we were discussing about consonant, now it comes vowel. So when nouns ending in Y after a vowel, plurals are formed by adding S. So the nouns which have got Y at the end and before Y vowel is there. Earlier we were discussing about consonant, but now the rule has got changed. If Y is there at the end of a noun, singular noun, and before Y vowel is there, not consonant but vowel is there, so how you will make it plural? You will make it plural by adding S, only S, not IES. When there is consonant before Y, then we will add IES, but when there is vowel before Y, we will add only S, not IES. So you can see key. Example, you see key. Key is ending with Y, this Y, and before Y, E is there. And what is E? E is a vowel. You know what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So when there are A, E, I, O, U before Y, so in a noun, so how you make it plural? You will make it plural by adding S at the end. So key is singular noun and keys are plural nouns. So key, keys. Toy, toys. Donkey, donkeys. Because before Y O is there, and what is O? O is vowel, so we will add S to make it plural, so it will be toys. You can see here also donkey, Y, it is ending with Y, and before Y, E is there. What is E? E is a vowel. So how you make it plural? You will make it plural by adding S. So in a noun, when there is Y at the end and vowel before Y, so you will add S to make it plural. Now we'll move on to our next page and discuss the next rule for singular and plural. So for nouns ending in F or FE, the nouns which ends with either F or FE, plurals are formed by changing F or FE into VES. So now when a noun has got either F at the end or FE at the end, so how you make it plural? You'll make it plural by adding VES in a singular noun. Now you see the example over here. See, LEAF. So this leaf is a singular noun and it is ending with F. It is ending with F at the end. So that means what you have to add at the end of a noun to make it plural? You have to add VES to make it plural. So leaf is a singular noun and leaves, it is plural noun. Now similarly, now you see knife, KNIFE. This knife has got FE at the end. So that means we have to add VES. We have to add VES to make it plural. F or FE, then we have to add VES. Either we have got F at the end or we have got FE at the end. That means it is clear that we have to add VES at the end to make it plural. By dropping F and FE, we have to cancel this, or we have to drop this F and FE at the end and add VES to make it plural. Similarly, you see wife. Wife has got FE at the end. That means we have to drop FE. We have to drop this FE and add VES to make it plural. We have to drop F and FE to make it plural by adding VES. So when there is F at the end or when there is FE at the end, you have to drop F and drop FE and add only VES to make it plural. These three alphabets you have to add to make it plural. So now we'll discuss the next rule for singular and plural. So in case of some nouns which end in F or FE, plurals are formed by adding S in the end. So this is an exception. Not in all FE or F ending nouns we'll add VES, but there are some nouns in which F is there at the end or FE is there at the end. So how you make it plural? We won't add VES at the end to make it plural. Rather, we will add S to make it plural. Only in these nouns. There are some exceptions, not in all the nouns, but there are some nouns in which F is there at the end or FE is there at the end. So when you have to make that noun plural, you will add only S. For example, you see roof. Roof is ending with F. So you won't drop F or add VES, but you will, this roof will remain as it is. You won't drop F, but only add S to make it plural. So roof, roofs, S, plural. Giraffe, see giraffe is ending with FE. So you will not drop FE. You will not drop FE, but only just add S to make it plural. So these are the exceptional cases. Okay. Proof. In proof also it is ending with F. So how you make it plural? You will make it plural by adding S. Only S at the end of a noun. So this is the exception. Not in all the nouns it is there, but this is the exception. This is the exceptional nouns in which F is there at the end or FE is there at the end. So you will add only S to make it plural. So yes, that's all for today. The next part of this chapter I'll be explaining in the next video. But for today only this much is there. So thank you.